Good morning, dear students. In previous lecture, we have discussed the multiplication of matrix. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss the transpose of the matrix and some theorem based on the transpose of the matrix. So, let me tell you what will be the transpose of the matrix. Transpose of matrix. A matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns is called the transpose of the given matrix. It means that if A is equal to Aij, its order is m cross n, then the transpose of A, which is denoted by A dash or At, it is equal to Aj and its order is n cross m, right? In mathematical notation, we can express the transpose of A like this. See, for an example, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, then A dash is what? A dash is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Means the rows of A becomes the columns of A dash and columns of A dash becomes the rows of A. Its order is what? 3 by 2. Its order is what? 2 by 3. See, first row is what? 2, 3. Here first column is what? 2, 3. Second row is what? 4, 5. Here second column is 4, 5. Third row is 7, 9. Third column is 7, 9. This is how we denote the transpose of a matrix. Now, on the basis of the transpose, there are some special types of matrix. Before that, there are some properties of the transpose. What are these properties? Properties of transpose. First property is that transpose of the sum of two matrices is equal to the sum of the transpose of matrices. मीन्स आप दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करने के बाद उनका ट्रांसपोज लो या ट्रांसपोज लेके आप ऐड करो, रिजल्ट आपका सेम आएगा, राइट? सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज दैट if I take a transpose of a matrix 2 times, then I will get the same matrix C. If I will take a transpose of A dash, right? Then what will we get? We will get 2, 4, 7, 3, 5, 9. See, this matrix and this matrix is same. This is equal to A. Means if I take a transpose of a matrix 2 times, then it is equal to the original matrix. Third property is what? Third property is KB का dash is equal to KB dash. Means स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, स्केलर पे ट्रांसपोज का कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, these are the three properties of a transpose. Now, on the basis of the transpose, there are some special type of matrix. First type is symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix? So let us see the definition of the symmetric matrix. A matrix is called a symmetric matrix if its transpose is equal to itself. Means A dash is equal to A. In other words, I can say that A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A means what? Aij is equal to Aji in the term of entries for all I and J. See, a matrix A, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now find A dash. First row is what? 1, 2. So first column is what? 1, 2. Second row is what? 2, 3. Second column is what? 2, 3. See, it is equal to same. See, so this type of matrix is called the symmetric matrix. If the transpose of a matrix is equal to the matrix itself, then that matrix is called symmetric matrix. क्या होती है, विजुलाइज कैसे करोगे आप, देख के कैसे पता लगाओगे कि मैट्रिक्स सिमेट्रिक है या नहीं है? सो सी अ 3x3 एग्जांपल, A11 A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. For the symmetry of a matrix, these two entries, and these entries must be equal. Means A12 is equal to A21, A13 is equal to A31, A32 is equal to A323. Right? Means in upper triangular portion and the lower triangular portion are same. Upper triangular और lower triangular क्या? Diagonal के ऊपर वाले elements और diagonal के नीचे वाले एलिमेंट्स इक्वल होने चाहिए तो वो मैट्रिक्स सिमेट्रिक होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं. सिमिलरली पैरेलली वी डिफाइन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. सी स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. Skew symmetric matrix is what? A matrix is called a skew symmetric matrix when A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, so here the condition is changed. A dash is equal to minus A means Aij is equal to minus Aj. Means the elements in upper triangular part and lower triangular part are of opposite signs. अब बेटा अगर अपोजिट साइन के होंगे तो आपने देखा था जब आप मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेते हो तो डायगोनल पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. ठीक है, लेकिन आपको तो ट्रांसपोज में नेगेटिव बनाना है. मींस आपको डायगोनल में ऐसा नंबर लेना है जिसका नेगेटिव खुद के बराबर हो. मेरी बात फिर से सुनो, जब आप ट्रांसपोज लेते हो किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का तो डायगोनल अनइफेक्टेड रहता है. राइट, वन थिंग सी 1 3 1 3 डायगोनल चेंज नहीं हो रहा. इसी तरीके से लेकिन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में आपको ट्रांसपोज में नेगेटिव लाना है. ठीक है, मतलब अब डायगोनल में तो चेंज होगा नहीं, मतलब हमें डायगोनल पे बेटा ऐसे नंबर्स को लेना है जिनका नेगेटिव खुद के बराबर हो. देयर इज ओनली वन नंबर विच इज इक्वल टू ऑफ द नेगेटिव इटसेल्फ. वो कौन सा नंबर ऐसा होता है जिसका नेगेटिव उसी के इक्वल होता है? वो होता है जस्ट 0. राइट, मींस Aij इज इक्वल टू 0 for where I is equal to j. Means skew symmetric matrix में सारी diagonal entries बेटा 0 होंगी और लोअर ट्रायंगुलर और अपर ट्रायंगुलर में for all ij except when I is equal to j. Right? So see the example of a skew symmetric matrix. A is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Sorry, 0. Now calculate A dash. First row is what? 0 minus 1. So first column becomes 0 minus 1. 1, 0. Take minus common out. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. And it is equal to what? Minus A. Means for a skew symmetry of matrix, the diagonal elements must be 0. Otherwise, the matrix cannot be a skew symmetric matrix. Now, there are two theorems on the base of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let us see the theorem. Theorem number 1 is stated as for a square matrix A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. For any square matrix A, कोई fixed matrix नहीं है. So let us see the proof. First of all, we will prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. To prove the symmetry, let us take a transpose. By first property, it is equal to A dash, A dash dash, A dash plus A. Because if I will take a transpose of a matrix 2 times, then it is equal to the original matrix. And by the commutativity of addition, it is equal to A plus A dash. Means A plus A dash का ट्रांसपोज जो है बेटा वो A plus A dash के बराबर हो गया. We can write it as A plus A dash dash is equal to A plus A dash. This implies that A plus A dash is symmetric. Now see the next one, A minus A dash. A minus A dash dash is equal to A dash minus A dash dash A dash minus A dash A का दो बार आप ट्रांसपोज लोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, माइनस कॉमन ले लो बेटा, A माइनस A dash मीन्स A minus A dash transpose of A minus A dash is equal to the negative of A minus A dash. This implies that by the definition of skew symmetry, A minus A dash is skew symmetric, right? For any square matrix A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. On the basis of this result, there is another theorem. A square matrix A, any square matrix, can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us see how will we prove the next theorem. To prove this theorem, let us take a square matrix A, right? We can rewrite it as half A plus half A. एक जो मैट्रिक्स थी उसको मैंने ब्रेक कर दिया बेटा, हाफ ऑफ ए प्लस हाफ ऑफ ए. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या किया मैंने बेटा, हाफ ऑफ ए ट्रांसपोज प्लस कर दिया और हाफ ऑफ ए ट्रांसपोज को माइनस कर दिया, राइट? अब क्या किया नेक्स्ट लाइन में, इन दोनों टर्म्स को एक साथ लिया बेटा, दोनों में 1/2 कॉमन है, आप 1/2 कॉमन ले सकते हो. 1/2 ए प्लस ए डैश प्लस बाकी जो दो टर्म्स लेफ्ट हैं उसमें भी 1/2 कॉमन आ रहा है, ए माइनस ए डैश. और आपने पहली थ्योरम में बेटा प्रूव किया हुआ है a plus a dash is symmetric and a minus a dash is skew symmetric, means this thing is symmetric and this is skew symmetric, right? Now you can ask one question, sir, here we have multiplied by 1/2, then 1/2 affects on the symmetry or not? So let us see. If A is a symmetric matrix, if A is symmetric, then K से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे A की सिमेट्री पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, लेट अस चेक. K A dash it is equal to K A dash and A dash is equal to what? A dash is equal to A, so it is equal to K. Means scalar multiplication does not affect on the symmetry of a matrix. If A plus A dash is symmetric, then half of A plus A dash is symmetric. If A minus A dash is skew symmetric, then half of A minus A dash is skew symmetric. And this symmetry is proved in the first theorem already. A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Means any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This part is called the symmetric part of the matrix and this part is called the skew symmetric part of the matrix. क्वेश्चन पेपर में क्वेश्चन कैसे आता है, वो आपको एक मैट्रिक्स गिवन होगी, आपको उसका सिमेट्रिक पार्ट और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक पार्ट कैलकुलेट करके बताना होगा. These are two theorems based on the transpose of the matrix. Okay, now in next lecture we will discuss some problems based on the transpose of the matrix from your textbook of exercise 3.2. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the transpose of the matrix, you can tell me in comment section. Thank you once again.